Understanding Matrix Addition, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in mathematics called matrix addition. Don't worry if you're new to this topic. We'll break it down step by step. Our goal is to make sure you understand and can use this concept confidently in English. Before diving into matrix addition, let's understand what a matrix is. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Think of it like a table with numbers. Matrices are used in various fields, including mathematics, engineering, and computer science, to solve complex problems. Now, let's talk about matrix addition. This process involves adding two matrices by adding their corresponding elements. The key rule here is that you can only add matrices of the same size. For example, you can add two matrices that are both 2 by 2, but you cannot add a 2 by 2 matrix with a 3 by 3 matrix. 1. Ensure matrices are of the same size. Check that both matrices have the same number of rows and columns. 2. Add corresponding elements. For each position in the matrix, add the numbers from both matrices. Do this for every element. 3. Write down the result. The result is a new matrix of the same size, with each element being the sum of the corresponding elements in the original matrices. Let's apply what we've learned with some examples. We will take two matrices and go through the process of adding them together. These practical examples will help solidify your understanding. Great job in learning about matrix addition. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try out some examples on your own, and you'll find that it becomes easier over time. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering English and mathematics. See you in the next one.